After receiving the calculator box, first to check accessories. A black mat. Pour out the drawer to check accessories. Due to the violent transportation, the LCs may be rolled into the inside of the little box. You can pull out the drawer and take it out to check if there are any LCs inside the calculator box. Then you got a black mat, 2 garbage bags, power plugs, and instruction manual. Then you have to put on a garbage bags. This way it's not okay because it's too tall. You have to if you don't do this, the red light will keep flashing. Make sure the bag is placed flat every time when you close the drawer, and make sure the drawer are completely closed without gaps. If you want to add calculator, you have to disconnect the power first and press to open the press to remove the fastener, both sides. Press and remove. Then you can remove the cover and pour into the sand. The same way to reset. Press. Make sure the machine is fully in state and reconnect the power. After each increase or decrease the calculator, please reset the machine. Make sure the machine is fully installed and place on a level hard floor without any boundaries within 3 feet. Turn on the power. Start with manual clean mode. When you press it once and it will be cleaning. Start cleaning. It will roll. Make sure there is no obstruction near the machine, including people within 3 feet. Otherwise, when you near to the machine, the light will start flashing, and when you are away from it, the machine will return to normal condition. The second is auto cleaning mode. You have to hold and press for 2 seconds to switch mode. In automatic modes, the guarantee signal will start work when it feels the weight change. When get in and get out. When get in the little box, the red light will keep flashing. And the get out. After get out, the light will become normal. And after 13 seconds, it will start cleaning. To ensure cat safe. It start to stabilize. And hold third button for 2 seconds to empty the sand. You must keep a distance of 3 feet when the machine is working. If you don't do this, the red light will keep flashing. Here are some reasons why the red light keeps flashing. A moving object near to the machine, including people. When you're near to the machine, the red light keeps flashing. Second, the guarantee senior feels the weight. Third, the drawer isn't closed. If the box is full of rubbish, the light will always on. And also, a foreign objection is blocking the bottle signal. The light will always on.